what's up? Farm Tour 25, also the first video. So I'm going to be giving you a tour of the farm, if that makes sense. Alright, so right off the bat here, we're getting ready for silage, so we got all the stuff out, and yeah, so this is the 1060, we got the hoist, this is the 1066. It's just an older tractor we've had for around ever since I was born, you know. This is the 8320. This goes on the planter, on the grain cart. It was on the sprayer this year, but I don't know if we'll keep running on the sprayer or not. Right here we have the 2025 Iowa State Fair Restoration Champion something. Yeah, so it's the 8320. We got the 8100 here. This goes on like the small field cultivator. Here's some trophies and some banners and some racing stuff, and Coy Van Houen and Jim Howell, you know, Kevin Harvick. The Ripper I've had for I don't even know how long. Jesus, there's the tire. I've had it for I don't know how long, ever since I've been around or that I can remember. This is the 9560 RT 2-track system. It's actually really nice. You know, first nice tractor, I'd say. I mean, not. I'll just shut my mouth. But I really like this tractor. Just sweet. There's the big field cultivator, bigger. It's the grain cart and the combine. It's a 9770 STS. So here's the tour of the equipment and stuff. So I'll take you outside. Not everything is here right now. Right here we have the car junkyard. Starting this off. There's the rock pile, because every firm needs a rock pile. Here's Grandma's house. Here's the shed. It's really nothing too special. It's got a small shop on it and big cold storage. It's not very nice, but you know, it does it. Hay rack and fence line sprayer. There's the other auger. These bins. As you can see, we're doing silage, so I'll show you how we undo the silage wagons and hook them up. I'm going to make his life easier and try to go straight behind him as much as I can. Then I'll have to disconnect it, see how good I can do it one-handed. That should do it. Alright, I don't even know if I'll do it. So I got to pull this cord, and that pulls that up. Yeah, I can. So there's not too much to this, but there's enough to this where it could be complicated. So I think I can do this one. I think I can do this one-handed though. So that Y needs to go on that pole right there. You'll see what I'm talking about. Nice and slow. Here we go. Now we're hooked up. So now we can put her into high. Give her some pepper. Slowly let out the goose. More pepper, more pepper, more pepper, more pepper, more pepper, more pepper. And there we go. Oh! I guess I can defy why that was so hard and it bogged out so much as I had the torque forward. That's not a good idea. But anyway, we got the silage wagon, so now we're gonna go back and unload it. Currently 8:30, so it's dark out here in Iowa. Still working at her, plugging away. Gets pushed down into the conveyor, and the conveyor gets it up there and packs it into the silage bag.